Hello and welcome. We will be buying PEPE coins and SATS coins through spot trading using limit and market on BingX exchange. A limit order is a type of order in which the user sets the amount and the highest buy price or lowest sell price they can take. When the market price matches the user's expectation, the system will execute the order at the best price within the limit price range. A example, assuming that the last price of BTC is $20,000. If a user wants to buy BTC at a lower price of $18,000, they can choose the limit order and set the buy price at $18,000. After placing the order, the limit order will be filled automatically when the price drops to less than or equal to $18,000. Here we will buy PEPE coin on a limit order. Go to limit order, then just set the price you want to buy, how much you want to spend, and click buy coin. Limit order placed, you will get PEPE coins when the price of the coin hits the price you picked to buy. A market order is a type of order in which the user executes a buy or sell order immediately at the best price in the current market for fast trading. A example, assuming that the last price of BTC is $20,000. If a user wants to buy BTC at the market price immediately, they can choose the market order and set the amount, for example, $100. The market order will be filled immediately after placing the order. Now we are buying SATS at market price. Select market, how many are you going to buy, and click buy coin. You will get them instantly at market price. Now you know how to spot trade on BingX using limit and market. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Join BingX, get a $30 welcome gift and more. Link in description below.